Let's do some EFT tapping together to release emotional pain. And you can start tapping anywhere or here on the collarbone like I am now. Releasing emotional pain is really what EFT is suited for. Even when you're talking about other issues, ultimately, it's to help process the emotions behind it, because the emotional aspects can play a huge contributing factor to anything going on in our lives. Even a lot of physical pain and experiences we have, there can be an emotional component, and that's what EFT is suited for. So if you're feeling this emotional pain that brought you here, believe it or not, you might be a little bit ahead of the game because you're already in touch with that emotional pain behind it. So this is going to help process that together. So go ahead, tap here on the side of the hand and repeat after me. Even though I'm feeling this pain, I choose to deeply and completely accept myself and what I'm feeling. Even though I'm feeling this pain, I choose to deeply and completely honor myself and what I'm feeling. Even though I'm feeling this pain, this emotional pain, and this emotional pain is absolutely as real and maybe just as painful, if not more so, than any physical pain I felt. And maybe this emotional pain, we don't always know what to do with it. There's no pill for it. And so I'm feeling this, and I'm open to the possibility that this can be processed with the natural intelligence of my body, of my mind, of my nervous system. And I'm going to lean into that now. Okay, now through the points. This pain, this emotional pain, it's not always easy to find the right words to describe it. Maybe it's sadness, or grief, or jealousy, whatever it might be. There are no words that can truly capture all of the details of what I'm feeling. But the good news is, it doesn't matter how well I can describe it, because the way to process, to release, to bring resolution to a feeling is through the language of feeling. And so I'm giving myself permission now, as I feel in my body a sense of being grounded, a sense of being present in the room, feeling myself tapping, sending that calming energy through my nervous system. It is okay to move towards that feeling, to actually welcome this emotional pain. It's totally natural to want to get rid of pain, so we try to push it away or ignore it or become obsessed with trying to figure it out. But I'm giving myself a chance to relax all that now and just feeling into the nuances of that pain while I'm tapping. Allowing myself to feel that surprisingly, the less I resist it, the more I give that pain permission to be here, to accept that it has a function, that there may be something here, maybe some old wounds that never had a chance to get processed. And I'm giving it that chance in this moment by just being present with that pain, giving it full permission to reveal to me anything it feels the need to show me, anything it feels the need to let me know about. Or maybe it just needs that space to be seen and heard so it can begin to relax. Allowing myself to be curious. Whatever's most needed from me. Actually allowing the pain to be here, to be present with it. And once it has revealed whatever it needs to, if anything at all, we'll give it permission to relax. Give ourselves permission to stop fighting the pain. Maybe even to not think about it so much and just let it relax. If there are practical things that we need to take care of, we can ask the pain to let us know what they are. And if there's nothing more to be done, just giving it more and more space to process and relax. Okay, I'll take a deep breath. Just giving yourself some more space for that to do whatever it needs to do. I like to think of tapping and all of these types of tools as ways of helping support the system, helping become more curious and aware of what's actually happening, as opposed to trying to force or get rid of pain. Of course, it's unpleasant, but I have a little ebook in the description called You're Not a Repair Project, which can go into a little more detail about how even things like pain and sadness and different feelings, from my perspective, are always there for a purpose, trying to protect you, trying to serve you in some way. And so when we listen to them and use tools like this to help feel into them and stop fighting against them, the process can move along and emotions can process. They can be resolved and released when that function has been served. So I hope this helps you. And if it opened new doors as far as, okay, there's more specific things to tap on, please let me know in the comments below or any other questions you might have. Thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Really appreciate it.